The Lyon Hypothesis and Tortoiseshell Cats by Elizabeth Allport. The Lyon hypothesis states that if there is more than one X chromosome, all but one of the X chromosomes becomes inactivated. The inactivated X, or X's, then become a bar body, which is a condensed gene of an inactivated X. This hypothesis only works for X-linked inheritance. An example of the Lyon hypothesis can be seen in the tortoiseshell phenotype. A tortoiseshell cat has a genotype of X, big B, X, little b. The tortoiseshell phenotype is only seen in female cats, since normally females have 2 X's and males only have 1 X and 1 Y. About half of the cells will produce X, big B, or black, and the other cells will produce X, little b, or yellow. This results in a cat that has black and yellow coloring. If a yellow, short-haired female is crossed with a black male heterozygous for long hair, there can be 4 different phenotypes. The yellow, short-haired female's genotype is X, little b, little h, little h. And the black, long-hair male's genotype is X, big B, Y, big H, little h. One way to see the different phenotypes that can be produced is by using a branch diagram. Half of the progeny are going to be tortoiseshell females, and the other half are going to be yellow males. If we look at the tortoiseshell females, half of them are going to have long hair, and the other half are going to have short hair. By cross-multiplying, you're going to have a quarter of the progeny being tortoiseshell female with long hair. By cross-multiplying the tortoiseshell with the short hair, you're going to have a quarter of the progeny being tortoiseshell female, short hair. At the bottom, half of the yellow males are going to have short hair, meaning a quarter of the progeny are going to be yellow male with short hair. Half of the males are also going to have long hair, meaning a quarter of the progeny are going to be yellow male with long hair. 2 female progeny from this cross would not be the same because not all the cells would be expressing the same allele. Approximately 50% of cells express one allele and 50% express the other allele. This means that heterozygous females produce 2 different types of alleles, and therefore 2 female progeny from this cross will not have the same coat color pattern, although their genotypes will be the same. Females are therefore mosaics for the expression of X-linked genes. Here are my references.